If you're looking forward to gain some weight or you need to eat a very filling meal for breakfast, try my easy and simple rice pancakes, which are going to turn out very crispy on the edges, delicious, filled with a very nice coconut flavor. To make these delicious rice pancakes, you need 2 cups of rice, and you're going to be soaking overnight. So add in 2 cups to a bowl. Wash your rice several times so that you get rid of the excess starch. Then you're going to add in 2 to 3 cups of water and soak overnight. This is the next day and my rice has been soaking overnight. So this is how the rice is looking, and it's very delicate because it has been soaking overnight. So I'm going to drain off the water, and then we're going to get straight into making this delicious rice pancakes or VBB. The next step, you're going to need a blender to blend up your rice. So I'm going to pick mine and transfer in the soaked rice into the blender. Next, we're going to be adding in a very nice coconut flavor to our rice pancakes, and I'm going to be adding in half a cup of coconut cream. You can substitute with 2 cups of coconut milk. The difference between coconut cream and coconut milk is the cream is concentrated and it's a little bit heavy, so it's very flavorful with the coconut flavor, while the milk is a little bit light, and also the coconut flavor is still there. So next, you're going to add in milk so that I can thin out. Add in 1 cup of my milk. Then I'm going to cover and blend for around a minute. After a minute, you're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. That is half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is going to add in lots of flavor, crack in an egg. And lastly, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Cover and blend until smooth. Once done, it's time to cook our pancakes. So you're going to place a pan over medium flame. That is a non-stick pan. Using a non-stick is going to make it very easy for you to cook the rice pancakes. So you're going to need a spatula, a plate, some cooking oil, and a kitchen brush. If you can't get hold of a kitchen brush, you can simply use add in a little bit of oil and spread the oil in the pan, thinly. Once your pan is nice and hot, you're going to brush with some cooking oil lightly. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of butter, spread a little bit. Cook your pancake for around a minute or until you notice a very nice crispy edge. Then you're going to flip so that the other side can cook. Gorgeous. They look so gorgeous and amazing. So once you flip, you're going to cook for another minute. Make sure the flames are perfect because you don't want to burn your rice pancakes. Once done, this is how your crepes are going to be looking. So I'm going to transfer to a plate, then I'm going to add in the next round. Scoop out some more butter. And as you can see, the butter is a little bit thin, just what I want because I need thin rice pancakes. Cook for around 30 seconds to a minute. Once the rice pancake is ready, I'm going to flip. Gorgeous. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of cooking oil on the sides so that we can have those lovely spots on the crepe. Cook for 30 seconds. The kitchen is smelling incredible. You can catch that nice coconut aroma. I'm going to check After 20 seconds, how the pancake is cooking, and it's just perfect. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. Then I'm going to add in my next round. I am already enjoying my rice pancakes because they're so delicious. I guess this is the second pancake I'm enjoying, and it's so good. So this recipe is very easy and simple with very basic ingredients, and the outcome is going to be very flavorful, delicious rice pancakes. So hope you'll be giving this recipe